Hey guys, and welcome back. We are on chapter 5, lesson 3. We are going to compare integers and order integers. Okay, so first off, what is an integer? An integer is just a number. All right, it's going to be a whole number. Okay, gotta remember that too. It's a whole number. All right, so let's look at number 1. Example 1 is on page 364. All right, so to fill the circle with greater than, less than, or equal to make the statement true. So 12, positive 12, is that greater than, less than, or equal to negative 4. So let's first graph these on the number line, okay? If you already know the answer, great. If you do not, let's graph these on the number line. So if I look here at negative 4 and then positive 12, which one am I going to have more of? Think of it this way. Think of, would you rather have $12 or owe someone $4? All right. So in my opinion, I would rather have $12. Okay. That will go towards something, my groceries. All right. If you like owing $4, that's not good. All right. So since 12 is to the right, all right, it is all the way to the right of negative 4. 12 is going to be greater than negative 4. All right. All right, let's look at example 2. So Justin has scored a negative 4 on the Trueville trivia game. Desiree's score is negative 5, right? And inequality to compare the scores. Explain the meaning of the inequality. So an inequality is just writing out it's kind of like a statement. All right, so just like we did up at the top, we had like a number, and then we had our circle, and then we had another number. Okay, that is what like an inequality is. All right, so if we are writing this, all right, so Justin has a score of negative 4, all right, and Desiree's is negative 5, all right. So again, think of it kind of like owing money. If you want to owe only $4 rather than $5, this is good. If you are going to owe $5 more, that's probably not going to be good. Always remember that whatever number is to the right, okay, that is more positive. Okay, so the number to the right is more, number to the right is more positive. All right, so if we're going to write this as an inequality, we're going to put negative 4, okay, because that's the first number we have, is less than, okay, I want to eat. Oh, actually, I lied. I'm sorry. All right, is greater than negative 5. Okay, just because 5 is a bigger number as a positive, negative 4 is going to be greater than negative 5. So again, if you want to remember, number to the right is more positive than the number to the left. All right, so if we look at number 3, which is on page 365, we are going to order the pairs from least to greatest. So we can graph the numbers on a number line and then go from left to right. All right, so graphing the numbers, we have negative 9, all right, negative 9, and then we got 6, and then negative 3, and then 0, all right? So now if I want to, I'm going to put these in least to greatest. So my far left one is going to be negative 9, all right? My next one is going to be negative 3. The one after that's going to be 0. And last but not least, we have 6. All right, so this is from least to greatest. Using a number line for this might be a little bit more helpful, unless you don't really feel like you need to use a number line. But I think that it would be good to look at a number line in order to see what numbers go from least to greatest. All right, remember, left to right is least to greatest, greatest to least is right to left. All right. If we look at number 2, we can compare the signs and the values. So we can compare negative numbers. So I know that negative 9 is a lot. Like if I wanted to, I'm going to owe more money if I have negative $9. All right. So I'm going to put negative 9 first. And then same thing with negative 3. All right. And then we got our 0, which is just kind of like, you don't owe anything. And then 6, I have $6, which is really good. All right. Example 4. Okay, example 4 is going to be on page 366. All right, so the table shows the lowest elevation for several continents. Order the elevations from least to greatest. So again, we're going from left to right. All right, so let's first graph each integer. So we have Africa, which has negative 156. So you're going to have to kind of guesstimate on this since they're not going to have exactly the same. So we're going to guesstimate that Africa is right there. All right. And then we have Asia, which is going to be 418, which is probably about there-ish, give or take. Australia is negative 12, give or take. Europe is negative 28-ish. North America is negative 86, and South America is negative 105. Probably should have wrote out what these are so that we can go back and we can write down what numbers. Okay, so what did I say that was? Europe. Okay, Europe has an E. Then we have Australia. We got Asia all the way over here, and then Africa. All right, so if I'm going from lowest elevation to highest elevation, we're going to start with Asia, which is negative 418. All right, our next negative then is going to be Africa, which is negative 156. All right, after that we have South America, which is negative 105. Next, we have North America, which is negative 86. And then Europe, negative 28. And then Australia, is going to be negative 12. Okay, so the ones that are all the way to the left is going to be the least. To the most right is going to be the most positive. All right, so just always remember that right is going to be most positive. Most positive. Okay. All right, so that is this lesson. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, subscribe to my channel and punch that notification bell so you know when I'm having more videos. All right, have a good day. Let me know if you need anything else. Bye.